Hey, what's going on, guys? Kevin Johnson back with another video for you today. Chances are, if you're watching today's video, you want more information about the foreign exchange market. Even better, the cryptocurrency market. Guys, we're gonna talk about that today. So follow me up to my office so we can get a little bit more comfortable and we'll go from there. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get right into it. So maybe you're someone out there and you're completely new to Forex, right? You have no idea what Forex is and you just see all these people posting different results around the world and you want to take part of that, right? Or maybe you're someone who does know about Forex, but you need a little bit more guidance into how to actually capitalize in the markets. Well guys, don't worry, I was that same way a few years back before when I was introduced to Forex. Guys, I had no idea what I was looking at and I wasn't knowing what I was doing. I was on different websites just trying to find anything I can possibly find about Forex, and it had my brain fried, right? Until I found the right mentors, I found the right leaderships, and I found the right people that was gonna actually coach me side by side and help me capitalize in the actual market. And today, guys, I'm gonna share this amazing opportunity that's changed my life, and hopefully it can change your life as well. Now, guys, you know I really don't like to waste too much time talking, so let's go ahead and jump right into the laptop and we'll get started. Let's go. How would you feel if you had total control over every aspect in your life? And guys, that's what we're going to talk about here today. There's 4 ways we can make money. Number 1 being the investor's mindset, which we're going to talk about in today's video. You have 4%, which are business owners, 35% work for themselves, and 60% work for someone else. Now get a look at this, guys. 95% make only 5% of the entire market, and 5% only make 90% of the entire market, guys. So, have you ever heard of the foreign exchange markets? And could you guess how many zeros are in a trillion? That's right, if you said 12, you're correct. Now imagine a $5.3 trillion market per day, a market that stays open 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, worldwide. A market you can exchange in without owning any physical money, guys. Welcome to the foreign exchange FRX. There's another market growing towards 1 trillion, setting the future stage for how everyone will handle money. It's becoming the global form of payment, everyday purchases everywhere, guys. That you can also trade without owning any physical money, all right? Like I said earlier, you do not have to have cash. This is all digital. Welcome to Digital Currencies, DCX. Here's one of our core products with I Am Educated, Learning Simplified. You know, here you're going to be able to master the markets, knowing how to build real wealth and freedom. FRX is the Foreign Exchange Masters Academy, guys, where you're going to actually learn about, you know, different currencies and different pairs and stuff like that, and how to actually trade in the markets. Then we have HFX, High Frequency Masters Academy, which is for the people who have a little bit more time and they want to make a little bit more money in the actual markets. Also, guys, we have DCX, which is the Digital Currency Masters Academy. And in this academy, guys, you guys are going to learn about cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, what it's here for, and how you can become a profitable trader. So we have a home-based business masters academy where if you want to become a better business person, you want to learn how to speak and present and to share with the world and share this business with thousands of people across the world, guys, we have that access for you to do so here too. And another product we have is Go Live. You get to access over 100 full-time educators, connect, you get to collaborate, ask questions, learn and succeed, and learn from them live on your own time, guys. Some of you may have certain schedules where you work or you're in school and you want to be able to have a flexible schedule. So guys, you're going to be able to do that with live mentorship and design around your busy life schedule, guys. So here, this is where you're going to be able to choose your weapon. Discover easy to follow strategies through powerful tools that simplify trading. You're going to be able to access different apps that's going to help you become profitable in the market. If you guys can take a look at the screen right here, this is a harmonic scanner, which pretty much predicts which way the market is going to go. Also, learn and earn on the go. Get easy to follow trade ideas sent from the market straight from your phone. If you're busy and you just want to make some income right away, you don't really have time to stare at the markets, guys, we have apps that will allow you to get notifications, and you can go ahead and copy and paste exactly what it is that they send to you into your trade and become profitable, guys. So you get to always stay connected and never miss an opportunity to make profit. Now, the biggest question we get is, how can you start? So guys, here at IM Academy with our 2 and free scholarship program, if you refer 2 active paying customers, your monthly subscription is completely waived for free, guys. That's amazing. Also, you get to become an independent business owner and, like I said earlier, build a successful business from home, from the ground up. Those people who want to go out and share this with hundreds and thousands of people, you'll be able to do that to earn some more of that residual income that you can potentially put into the foreign exchange market and capitalize on that, guys, as well. Now let's talk compensation plan, guys. As you can see right here, these ranks go all the way from 150 to our highest rank in the company, which is Chairman 500. I want you guys to screenshot this, guys, because when I seen this, my mind was blown away. And it's definitely doable, guys, because this is the power of building and duplicating, right? So as you guys can see, we have a number 1 rank in our company, which is Chairman 10. We have a lot of Chairman 10s in our company right now, and that's one of the core ranks that a lot of people are pressing for to earn that. This is the first 6-figure rank in our company, guys, and you'll be able to do that by accessing and sharing this business with multiple people around the world. This is based off of team building. You go out there, and if you want to share this business with the world, like I said earlier, you get to earn some residual income on the side as well. So let's talk about back to our packages. If you personally refer someone to our Elite Starter Pack, you're going to receive a one-time payment of $50 up front. And if you personally refer someone for the Platinum Starter Package, you'll receive $35. And so on, guys. As those people come in and your business continues to grow, you'll earn income from each and every one of those people who came into your business. This is extremely powerful and a great way for you to build some more residual income for your business. Now let's talk residual income. We have I'm Platinum 150. This is when you simply go out there and refer 3 customers that you know, like, and trust who actually want to learn how to trade Forex. You're going to actually receive $150 per month and $37.50 paid out to you every single week. And over here we have Platinum 600. When your business grows and accumulates over customers, you'll be at a rank called Platinum 600, where you earn $600 per month and it's $150 per week. And over here we also have Platinum 1000. If your business accumulates to 30 customers in your organization, you'll earn $1,000 per month and $250 per week. All right, guys, so it does cost to be a part of this movement. And as you can see, for the starter pack, it's $225 one-time payment. And for the Elite Starter Pack, it's $325 to go ahead and get started. And you also get access to all the products that we talked about earlier. Here are some of the other products that we have within our company that you can take advantage of that we talked about in the previous slides as well. Now here we have the Elite 3-month pack where you save $50. We have the Elite 6-month pack where you save $100. And we have the Elite 12-month pack where you save $200. Now guys, these packs are for people who know they're coming in for long term. They really are serious about trading. So guys, we have these options for you as well. Now the question I have for you guys is, what will you become? Alright guys, so there's no secrets. You guys got to witness the information for yourselves. The next thing for you to do is make an educated decision if this is something that you would like to do. Do you really want to have handheld step-by-step training to actually capitalize in the foreign exchange markets? Guys, you can do so with us today. Guys, go ahead and get back to the person who shared this video with you and let them know that you're ready to get started. If I sent this video to you, go ahead and message me. You can text me below, and guys, we'll work together. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Have a great day.